The sleep show by Peut-être, theatr is a show for children and their grown-ups, age 4+, about sleep and everything that comes with it. Sleep is such a huge topic for all children and all parents. And as a parent, it has been a really significant thing in my life. We started with a lot of research. We wanted to know how we sleep, why we sleep, what happens to our bodies when we sleep, what happens to our brain when we sleep, our body clocks. We spoke to a lot of children about their relationship with sleep, and we spoke to a lot of sleep experts.
We went into schools and we did lots of movement exercises with the kids around sleep. So we looked at dreaming, we looked at nighttime routines, we looked at what happens to our body and brain when we sleep. Taking those movements that the kids came up with, some of them have actually integrated into this show.
Personally, my favourite bit was the yawn ballet.
Yawn ballet, bedtime routine. I liked it because it made me relax.
It was fun and active.
We've been doing a lot of movement around creating different dreamscapes, different sleep routines and different sleeping positions. It's been, really nice to delve into the research.
The different textures and the softness of the show that's come out of those different materials has really informed the movement and informed the entire sort of energy and vibe of the piece.
I want families to come out feeling that sleep is a joyful thing that you can celebrate.
There's a lot of theory around sleep and a lot of anxiety around sleep and a lot of do's and don'ts. Ideally, we'd like them to go in uninhibited of any of those thoughts and just experience the concept of sleep as a very poetic and beautiful and dreamy paradox that happens to our bodies.